So how do you know if you have a bad wheel bearing on a car? Well, sometimes you hear a little noise or some vibrations, or sometimes it does this. Yeah, see that? That ain't normal. And to think, I drove 90 miles on this before realizing it was bad. I just bought this car. Apparently the idiot who had it before never drove on a highway or something. Nice. Yep, this is one bad bearing. See that there? And that there? And think I was driving with this. Yeah. Didn't you know it's funny? No noise at all.
Wow, the one I pulled out my Riviera made a ton of noise.
Once you hit 65 miles an hour, felt like your wheels were gonna fall off. Damn. What kind of moron owned this car?